Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE AXON 20 and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then let's scroll down to find the accounts. Of course here we've got the Google section and you can manage the account using it, but I prefer to do it using the account. So let me tap on it and let's start with adding the account. So tap on add account, choose Google, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it, and just a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it, and then before the add symbol, and after tapping on next your device will autofill it. So right now we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it and you've got the